Hello everyone and welcome to Galiwala Ravi YouTube channel. We are going to unbox Noise Allen earbuds which is recently launched by Noise. Talking about the Noise is an Indian wearable company that started back in 2014. Currently is headquartered in Gurugram. The company began by making accessories for smartphones. Soon they expanded into wearable technology by launching their first earbuds Noise Shorts in 2016. Right now, Noise is one of the leading companies in smartwatch market in India. It also manufactures a wide variety of earphones and is ranked among India's top 5 brands for wireless earphones. So now, when we look over the specifications of the Noise Allen earbuds, we see that company has given 36 hours of charging with the charging case, 8 hours with the single charge on earbuds itself. 6 titanium speaker drivers are used in making the earbuds. Bluetooth version 5.2, yes, Bluetooth version 5.2 is being used in the Noise Allen earbuds. After that, it also gives water resistance, that is IPX4 rating, and after that it also gives environmental noise cancellation, that is pretty well when I have listened to the earbuds itself. And it also supports Google Assistant and Siri. The charging port is given C-type, which you can charge with your own mobile phone charger. Also the touch is multifunctional touch, and it also provides gaming mode, transparency mode and quad mic. So we will talk about gaming mode, transparency mode and quad mic later. Talking about the packaging quality, though it's not too much heavy, it's pretty authentic and simple with the extra ear tips. Charging cable, though it's small, but due to C port you can charge it with your phone charger also if you have C port charger. Some user manual in which it has provided all necessary detail about how to use the product, and overall it feels premium. I have unboxed Apple earbuds last year on my channel too, and I can say look wise the packaging is not too different. Talking about the box contents, you get one and Bluetooth headphone, one and charging case, one and type C charging cable, one and user manual, one thank you card and one pairing card. Now we are going to explain all the features that it claims to have, and later we will see whether it's value for money product for you or not. Noise Allen earbuds have a really premium build quality. The charging case is made of plastic with a matte finish but don't look cheap from any angle. The sleek design of earbuds give them a very premium feel. Overall, we can see that the design and the finish of the product is pretty good. Sound quality of Noise Allen truly wireless earbuds. Noise earbuds provide a fantastic sound experience. The vocal clarity of the sound is clean. It also has a remarkable deep bass quality. The punctuality bass is great for people who love to hear rock music and with action movies. Overall, in the department of sound quality, the Noise Allen truly wireless earbuds really packs a punch by providing an immersive experience to use. The next two mentioned features are the main reason for the level of sound performance. Qualcomm aptX adaptive technology. It supports Qualcomm aptX adaptive audio technology, which means a higher overall sound performance. So let's see what that benefits of the technology are. Benefits of aptX technology. Now, talking about the aptX technology, dynamic bitrate adaptation designed to ensure consistently robust audio streaming in challenging RF environments. aptX adaptive is designed to offer exceptional audio quality even at lower bit rates. aptX Adaptive is designed to deliver an optional user experience for gambling, touch to audio, motion to audio, and interactive user interface applications. Low system latency between approximately 50 to 80 ms depending on the implementation. Talking about the drivers, Noise Allen earbuds come with a titanium 6mm driver. The titanium driver is a premium level driver which are often used in the top tier audio devices. After that, noise cancellation. These earbuds come with environmental noise cancellation. Despite of active noise cancellation, environmental noise cancellation works on the concept of isolating your ears from by ambient sound by dampening the environment's noise. So as for noise cancellation performance, it works well. You will not face any noise or disturbance while using it. After that, microphone quality. The Noise Allen truly wireless earbuds come with a quad mic technology which works exceptionally well even in outdoor condition. Basically, each earbud comes with two microphones which helps in the proper filtering of any noise. Moreover, the dual mics on the each earbud come with CVC clear voice capture 8.0 which results in crystal clear audio. Now we'll talk about the additional features. The first additional feature is transparency mode. This feature is somewhat unique in this earbud. The Noise Allen but have transparency mode, which when enable enhance the ambient noise so that you can stay aware of the environment. This is a much needed feature in an outdoor condition when you need to be aware of for your surroundings, because the noise cancellation feature of earbud makes it very difficult to properly hear any sound or voice even in the case of an emergency. Next is the gaming mode. Noise Alien earbuds come with an gaming mode which increases the performance of earbuds. This mode enables the earbuds to have the lowest latency rate so that there no noticeable sound delay. It is about ATMS, which is negligible in the most cases. With this latency, it is suitable for gaming when in the multiplayer FPS, and in general uses for watching videos on OTT platforms or listening to music. You won't be able to feel any sound delay. Now, the last but not the least, for price ranges, go to noise.com or Amazon platform. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please share and subscribe.